So now let's talk about feedback, request, and all the exchange about the BrickIt community. First things, of course, if you made a Lego model with BrickIt, I advise you to credit it if you post it on ArtStation or something like that, and don't tell you did everything, okay? It's not an obligation, but it's an advice for you. Then, as you see, BrickIt is still on the first version, and a lot of improve, add bricks, fix, bug, etc. are needed. It's normal, okay? It's why I will ask you to give me feedback, okay? As much feedback I have, as much I can improve it correctly, okay? You can give feedback, whip, post your works, ask for brick. Everything is centralized on my Discord channel. Okay, so I really invite you to come on the Discord. It's mostly a French Discord, okay, with the French people. It's not a problem. If you're not French, just ask question, post, or speak in English, and everyone will understand you and speak, answer with you. Okay, here is the main room. What you're working on. Okay, you have the technical problem. Everything of that is about CG in general, okay, and my tutor. When you subscribe, you don't have access to the Discord. You need first to write the rules, okay, and introduce yourself. After, I will allow you to access the Discord, okay, really simple. Here, you will have the BrickIt tabs, okay, channel, with all the different BrickIt section. You have the BrickIt request, which means you request something, a feature, or mostly, I think, a brick, because all the bricks are not available. For example, or a bug maybe. Here, in this case, we see, oh, this brick is not working correctly. There is a bug, okay? So, yes, this one. So, post correctly the thing. For example, you come here, and you say, and you made quickly just a screen capture, okay? I can copy paste that here, and you copy and you made request, for example, the name of the brick, need a better snapping point, okay, or something like that, you understand. You post, and it's clear for me, and I will really quickly fix that in an update, okay? I count of you because as I said you, we are some builders to model and placed every voxel or anchor point manually, okay? So sometimes there is some mistake or some error. It's normal, okay? It's set manually, so feedback will fix quickly. Whip, you can also post a BrickIt whip, okay, or just say, oh, I start this model, okay. And the gallery, for example, I come here, I did a render, okay, very simple, boom. Hey guys, my first BrickIt model, okay? And why not? You can also share your model if you want, okay? That can be great. Why? Because there is something really interesting, because we all follow the same workflow with the same renderer, with the same okay, bricks, etc. You understand? And all the model everyone will build can be really easily shareable. I don't know the word in English, sorry. It will be easy to share, okay? So you can share, and everyone can pick your model and render it because the shadow will be the same, the lighting will be the same, etc. Okay, so that can be interesting also if you want to share with us your scene. Okay, so the idea of that is to create a community, and as you are a lot, the most people there are, you can exchange, request, and that can be interesting, I think. Okay, so feedback, whip, gallery, everything on the Discord. And to subscribe, really easy, one more time on setting, you have the link here.